Whether they respect Elon Musk or basically partake in the look and execution of his organization's vehicles, Tesla fans are dedicated. Seeing the reason why. From vehicles that have a bioweapon protection mode to sun-oriented rooftops, Tesla is an industry disruptor on a huge scale is not hard. That is directed to some great speculation returns. As indicated by its most recent income report, Tesla's incomes were up an incredible 80% year over year. Assuming that makes you need to partake in Tesla's alls energizing development. Here's beginning and end you really want to be aware to purchase TSLA stock. How to purchase Tesla stock. 1. Open an investment fund. Opening an investment fund is your vital aspect for trading protections, similar to stocks, shared assets, and trade exchanged reserves. However, a financier is something beyond your past to ride TSLA to the moon. It likewise has all the exploration and schooling you should be a fruitful financial backer as well as various kinds of venture accounts intended for specific objectives. On the off chance that you're effective financial planning for retirement, go with a duty-advantaged individual retirement account. This sort of record gets tax reductions from Uncle Sam that can assist your cash with developing much quicker. In the event that you need greater adaptability with your speculation account, say you need to put something aside for your very own Tesla in the following couple of years, you most likely need an available money market fund. These let you contribute for any reason or time period. However, you'll need to pay burdens each time you sell a venture for an increase or get profit pay. All financiers are not made equivalent, so you'll need to make certain to look at the charges, accessible ventures, and administrations presented by basically a couple to figure out which is ideal for you. 2. Decide the amount to contribute. After you've paid every one of your costs for the month, you're allowed to save and contribute whatever you have left. In a perfect world, you're socking in any event a portion of that into a secret stash, in the event that you don't as of now have one, as well as retirement reserve funds. Yet, the rest you can put toward different speculations, as Tesla. Stock costs are continuously fluctuating. However, Tesla's stock cost has been more than $400 an offer for as long as a year. Therefore, you will be unable to purchase an entire portion of TSLA yet. Fortunately, a few businesses, similar to Charles Schwab, Robinhood, Devotion, and Reserve, let you purchase parts of stocks called fragmentary offers. A great many people decide to contribute one of two primary ways, with an enormous singular amount at the same time or with limited quantities over the long run. This last strategy, called minimizing risk over the long haul, may diminish your gamble and assist you with paying on normal less per share after some time. Assuming that your money management as of now, you need to ensure you ponder how Tesla fits in your portfolio. Any singular stock buy ought to assume a somewhat minor part in the arrangement of the typical financial backer, said Chip Worker, a confirmed monetary organizer with the resource warning gathering. A decent guideline is that no singular stock ought to make up over 5% of a portfolio. 3. Audit Tesla's exhibition and potential. Prior to purchasing Tesla stock, or any stock, it's wise to do some investigation into the organization's financials, execution, and future standpoint. The least demanding spot to get everything rolling is through an organization's yearly reports and quarterly reports. Public organizations like TSLA are expected to pitch point-by-point data about their monetary well-being in these. You can find these on Tesla's Financial Backer Relations site or via looking through the Protections and Trade Commission's information base. You may likewise go to specialists for their feedback. Business organizations habitually put out editorial on significant stocks and enterprises, and outsider evaluators like Morningstar give thorough investigation. At the point when you consolidate monetary information with master understanding, you'll have the option to conclude the amount of your cash you need to place into Tesla. 4. Conclude your request type and spot it. Whenever you've concluded the amount you need to put resources into Tesla, you can purchase your most memorable offers. You'll have to sign into your money market fund and enter Tesla's ticker image and the quantity of offers you need to purchase or the dollar sum you need to contribute. You can utilize a straightforward market request to purchase shares at their ongoing cost, or you can attempt a more refined request type, similar to restrict or stop, to buy TSLA provided that its cost falls under a specific limit. Since Tesla is exchanged on the Nasdaq trade, you can get it Monday through Friday from 9:30 a.m. until 4 p.m. On the off chance that your financier gives admittance to pre-market and secondary selling exchanging, you can keep on setting orders for a couple of hours prior or after the market is open. Any orders got beyond hours you can exchange during will be put when the trade opens in the future. 5. Assess your venture. Whether you put resources into Tesla or different protections, it's really smart to monitor their exhibition intermittently. It's most likely least demanding to begin with annualized % return. Along these lines, you can look at how well TSLA performed more than a year contrasted with different organizations or speculations. You can likewise return to Tesla's monetary data to ensure it's actually moving in a positive course. Beyond contrasting TSLA's presentation with that of different stocks, you may likewise need to quantify it against industry benchmarks, similar to the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite file. This will let you know how Tesla is performing contrasted with the market in general. Step-by-step instructions to sell Tesla stock. At the point when you're prepared to sell your Tesla stock, go to your business exchanging stage and enter the quantity of offers or the dollar esteem you need to sell. You'll likewise get to pick a request type here in the event that if you have any desire to sell at the ongoing cost or wait for a specific one. These capital additions charges can change in light of how long you hold your TSLA shares. In the event that you'll understand huge capital additions on your Tesla venture, it might seem okay to converse with a monetary expert about the effect the deal will have on your personal expenses.